Hey, Tactical Painter here on Out in the Soots Crafting Wood Shop. Today on Out in the Shop, we've got an order. I'm so excited, we got an order. I haven't had an order in a little while, probably since Father's Day. I had an order. I had an American Patriot twist pen kit in curly maple that I had to do up. But today I've got an order. I'm excited. I've been doing a lot of orders lately, but this is like the first Etsy order that's come in that it was actually through the Etsy site. A lot of the stuff has been on the side, which has been exciting. It's been fun, but it's kind of fun to hear the little cha-ching come up on the phone. And so today what the person has ordered is a gold bolt action pen kit that I've got here, and he ordered it. I'm really excited about this wood. It's probably where all of this energy is coming from, actually, is that I've got this Madrone Burl. I bought this a while ago. I was like, I want to do something in Madrone. I'm not sure what it is, so I just got a test piece. I was just going to see, and I threw it up on the website just to see if it would sell. And that was probably about a year ago or so, and this guy wants it. He wants it in Madrone Burl. I'm so excited. It's a nice piece. Can't really see a whole lot. Let's see if I can get a little light in there. Can't see a whole lot just yet, but once we get it polished up, it's going to be really nice. It's going to be really cool. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I got this Madrone Burl, and as you saw earlier, I already got an X on here. What this is for is this is telling me I like this side better than I like this side, so I'm going to use this side of the blank because a gold bolt action only takes one barrel on there, so we only need one half of it. So we're going to take out our barrel, figure out how long we need, mark it, and then we're going to cut it off here. Alright, looks like we got a little bit of a, not really a chip out, just kind of like the pieces just bent out of the way coming out of the back instead of just cutting. But yeah, got a good clean end there, and let's go glue it up. Alright, time to glue up our Madrone Burl. So we've got a hole straight through. The barrel passes straight through. Haha, magic trick. Hey, look at that. Woohoo! So it goes through smooth, so we're going to take our thick CA glue. We're going to cover our pre-roughened barrel, and these barrels come from Penn State pre-roughened, which is very nice of them to do, which I cannot get my camera to focus on for you, so sorry. But they are pre-roughened. Looks like it's all set up there. Now we're going to just flood the back side with some thin. Just make sure we don't have any gaps in there. Alright, looks like that won't soak up anymore, so we'll set that aside so we can clean the nozzle out. We'll hit this with a little activator. And we'll let that sit overnight while the glue that's in between where the activator cannot get to cures up. Okay, time to square up the ends on this Madrone Burl. Okay, let's throw some denatured alcohol on here, get it cleaned off, and really reveal what that burl is going to look like. That is stunning. Okay, let's get it polished. Few layers of Renaissance wax and we are off to the races. We will let that sit there for a minute and we'll buff it off. Time for a little Renaissance time. Out here in the shop today, let's see, we're doing up. Got about 13 pens we're doing today. Got a couple large orders going out, including this one. It's going to be shipping out today. We've got, let's see, I've got 5 weeks left until my newborn is going to be entering this world, so that's a pretty exciting time, getting ready for that, and it's going to be good. Got a little girl on the way, so it's going to be fun. Got one little girl, another little girl, got a 12-year-old boy. Having a great time here at Soots Crafting Home. So get this buffed off and put on a few more layers. Let's get a clean cloth for this. Alright, a few more layers of that, which I won't make you sit through, but that is looking beautiful. Let's just get you a closer look here of that. Let's go from this angle here. Look at that. Stunning. Okay, time to assemble our Madrone Burl Gold Action Pen Kit. First thing that we need to do here is mount our nib point end into either end of our Madrone Burl. So we need to decide right off the bat exactly how we want this to look. So what I'm going to do is, most people are right-handed. Now the customer did not say left or right. So I always put the nicest features on the burl pointing toward the left. So if you were to be looking at it, then it'll be facing toward yourself as you're writing if you're a right-handed person. So this is the nicest side that we've got on here. And so I'm going to have to point that to our left. But first we gotta put this in here, just like that. We'll go ahead and press that in. Rotate that around a little bit. There we go. There. Okay, that looks good. Got a nice seating on that end right there. Looks good. So now is where I was talking. We're going to have to decide how we want this to look, where we want our clip to sit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have, we've got some nice featuring right here. So I'm going to have the clip sitting up from that. That way that faces the person as they're writing. So take out these two sections there. So we gotta take out the big section. I'll replace the little one here. So I actually got room for the medium. There we go. Rotate that. There. And now all we have to do is take our ink, take off the little rubber cap that they put on there, drop that in, put our spring on, thread in our cap, alright, and that works. So we've got good function on our bolt. Locks into place, retracts. That looks quite nice. Really happy with how that Madrone Burl turned out. Never turned Madrone before, so I was quite excited when I got this order. And that turned quite nice. Really like that.